Hey guys, this is Richard from Welshie Tech. Now this is me doing an unboxing of something I've actually bought for YouTube. It's new. Camera tripod. Now, reason why I'm actually changing it is because the one I 6-7 quid, so you get better lighting. Have a look. Oh, it's better. So about 6-7 quid. So I thought, you know, spend extra couple of just use it until it breaks or something. Well, at the moment, one of the legs is starting to break because it's quite cheap. It was only about 6 quid. So I mean, you know, this one on the other hand cost me £20 on eBay. It's more of a what you call it, it's got actually like quick release and all this type of stuff on it. So I just thought I'd do a little video, show you guys what I bought, because obviously, as long as, you know, if obviously I'm bidding on a camera at the moment, a JIUSHARK camera, 18.1 megapixel. It'll do recordings in 1080p, which I want, because at this time I can't afford anything 4K, and 4K on my phone is crap for some reason. I don't know why. 1080p is good on my phone, but it's not very good clarity, so I thought I'd buy a camera just in case, and then I'm going to start buying lights for doing like shots and stuff like that. So yeah, I just thought, you know, bugger it, I thought I'd give it a go. Oh, this one's quite big, this is. Bigger than the one I was on here, the one that's my phone's on right now. Came, well, it's about half the size of this, and this is quite big, like. So I mean, it's got a lot of features. It's got quick release, it's got tilt, vertical platform, gear, operated center column, quick release plate. You know, it's not bad, like, you know, for 20 quid I thought, bugger it, you know. I just bought a 32 gig SD card as well for my mobile, so I can start recording my videos straight on my phone, and then just leaving them there then until I get ready and to edit and to transfer it and all that. So I just thought, bugger it, might as well. But yeah, so this thing is being a knob now. Right, it's being a bit of a tip now. Right, so, right, there we go, I'm getting impatient now. Right, here we go. Right, yeah. Let's have a look. You see, comes in a nice little baggie. Oh, that looks posh. Comes in a carry bag. Not bad at all. Oh, this feels a lot better. Lot better. Oh yes, much better. Much better, that is. Oh, that's much better. Comes with a quick release. Plate already. It's a lot nicer, definitely. A lot better. It's nice. What the hell's that for? Oh, wow, look at that. That is cool. Wow. 20 quid, eBay. It's a lot sturdier than the one I've got right now. A lot sturdier. It's also got a weight balance on here as well. I mean, it feels very, very strong. Very. You know? So, yeah, I decided to do this quick little video. Show you guys that I'm trying my best to upgrade certain things, like obviously my camera, that's one thing that's got to be done, but I just thought I'd show you this and tell you that obviously I'm upgrading to a couple of new things. So yeah, right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is me showing you my new tripod for YouTube videos, much better. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Oh, also, Overclockers doing brilliant deals at the moment. They've got a 30% off deal on certain items. Link for that will be in the description or here. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. This is what Richard from Welsh Tech. See ya.